back to my channel. This is not Creative Victor Graphics. Right, in today's tutorial I'll be teaching you how to design this simple flyer. It's very simple, right? So let's jump right in. First thing, let's just delete this text. Click on it, click on A, then delete. First thing to do is to change our background. So to change your background, you have to click here, then click here, then go to color, click on color, click color here. Then this our background we use is a kind of yellow, but light yellow. So if you want to create that kind of background, click here. Once you click here, swipe this way, then move this way, and you will get that kind of background. Let's reduce it. So we are good to go. So this is the background we use. Next thing to do is to import your image, this image in this design. I'm going to import it. So to bring in the image, you have to click here. Once you click here, click on import. See import, you click on import, click on import, then go to where you have the image. So we bring in this image, just crop it, take it up properly. Okay, so at this point now I'm going to stretch it a little, bring it and keep it here. Then you lock it so that you shouldn't be moving it, or so it won't disturb you. Then let's input our text. Click on this A and then click text, then click edit, then type in smile, then increase it, increase. I'm going to be changing the font and also the color. First of all, let me change the color. You click on color, select this color, select this color, this orange color, then click check mark. Let's change the font. You click on your font. The font I'm going to use for this is called Valentine, so that's the font I'm going to use. So if you don't know how to download fonts, I already have a tutorial in my channel showing you how to download fonts. I'm going to drop it down in the description box. So here is the font, smile. So every part of this to come out, smile. See, you copy, then edit it, type therapy, smile therapy, reduce it. So okay, keep it here. So lock the both text. Once you lock the both text, the next thing in this design we are going to bring in, if you look at this design, the next thing in this design is this, a shape. We brought in a shape, and then it says keep up the smile. So first thing to do is to bring in the shape. Click here, click on shapes. You already set it to, let's say 10. Bring it down, bring it here, and place it here, and change the color to this orange. Then click on text, bring in your text. Once you follow my steps, you will get everything right. And type in keep up the smile, then reduce it, place it here. You know, there is a principle in designing. You have to change the color, because this yellow is a dark, this orange, sorry, is a dark orange, so we have to use a white text on it. When designing, light colors goes on dark colors, while dark colors goes with light background. So I'm going to change the font of this to, let's use Montserrat. Like I said earlier, to know how to get this kind of fonts I'm using, you have to download it right on your own phone and extract it. I already have a tutorial in my channel, you can go and check it out. So you lock the both. Then next thing to do is to bring in your shape, then place it here, stretch it this way. Then next thing is change the color, increase the radius this way, then check mark, take it to back. You know, is at the front. To take this thing to the back, when you click on this layer, you can either swipe from here, swipe it from here, just long press and swipe it down and take it behind this person's image. Or let's say since it's at the front, you can just from here click to back and it goes to back, then place it here. Once you place it here, scroll this way, then click on stroke, enable stroke, then change it to this color, then you are good to go. Place it very well, then you lock it too. Then what's the write-up here? The write-up says, when you design, you smile, always let it flow as you design. So let's input the text. So click on your text and type in the statement when. So once you input your text, change the color to black, then change your font to Montserrat. Use Montserrat medium, then decrease it. You can place it here. Place it. Then lock it. It's always important to lock each layer once you are done with it. Then if you look into this design, you will notice something. You notice this. You notice that in this design I did this. So I'm going to show you how I was able to do that. So just scroll this way. Once you have locked everything, you disable the ones you have selected. Just select on your draw, click here, select on draw, then select this color and then swipe it this way. Swipe it this way. If you didn't swipe it rightly, you can click here to undo it, or here to undo it. So swipe it this way. I've gotten what I need. So then decrease it, stretch it this way, decrease it, bring it here, stretch it, then place it very well, and then decrease, and then keep. So we got what we want. Then the only remaining thing is to bring in the heart icons we use in this design. So I'm going to bring in the heart icon. Remember I told you if you want to import, click on import, then go to your folder where you have the icon. So here is the heart icon I use, the heart I use. So you're going to reduce the size, but before you reduce it, I want this heart to have a similar color with the lady's clothes or the background, so that everything rhymes together. To change the color, you just have to scroll this way, go to color filters, click on color filters, then from here adjust the hue to, let's say till you got the right color. Okay, you have gotten it to 44, then click check mark, then reduce it. You can place one here, reduce it a little, then you duplicate it, copy, and then place one. You can just go to crop, so you flip it so it faces this way. The way I did was I clicked here and it flipped the other way. So that is it. You can now click check mark and then reduce it. From here, it's your position to bring it down. Then this one too, reduce it a little. So that is it. So that is it for our tutorial. The next thing I'm going to do in order to spicing up the background a little is to import a pattern at the back of the background. I can decide to leave it this way, but I just want to put it to make it a little more attractive. So to import this pattern, click on your import it, click on your folder, go to your pictures, then import. Then I'm going to crop it, click on check mark, increase it to cover up this place, then click to back. I take it to back, then I will scroll this way. When I scroll this way, I will click on erase color, enable it, and automatically it goes up. Then I'll go to tolerance, increase the tolerance to 17. I'll click check mark, then go to my opacity, decrease opacity to, let's say, to my test of let's keep it at 20. It's okay. Then click check mark, and then make sure everything is locked. So that's how to design this simple flyer using just your Pixellab. It's simple, right? So once you are done with your design, to save your design, you click here. So click here, it brings out options save as project and save as image. If you save as project, that means you want to come back and edit it, assuming it's a client job, so you can edit it, or your personal design. You click on project name. Okay, let's use smile and save it. Smile. Okay, smile C. Click OK. So once you have saved your project. In order to access your project, you just have to click here. Once you click here, you will see the option my project. Then click on my project. You see this my C, the project we just saved. You can access it. You see. So to save into your gallery, you just have to, when you click here, you click save as image. Always remember to change this thing to ultra, then click save to gallery, and then voila, your design will save to your gallery. So that is it. If you have any question, don't fail to drop it down right in the comment section. All the resources used in this design will be made available in the description box. If you love what you see in this channel, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and click the notification bell. See you in my next video.